Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Selkirk, Manitoba, a warm and friendly city known as the catfish capital of the world, sitting on the banks of the Red River about 22 kilometers northeast of Winnipeg. Established by Scottish settlers in 1813 as part of the Red River colony founded by Lord Selkirk, this area helped shape Manitoba's farming history and still honors the Métis, First Nations, and early European communities that made it home. Today, Selkirk blends its rich past with lively present-day life. You'll see the historic vertical lift bridge over the Red River built during the Great Depression, and a waterfront trail lined with riverboats and public art that celebrate its maritime roots. The Marine Museum of Manitoba houses the famous steamboat MS Kenora, and the Selkirk Museum shares local stories through interactive exhibits. This is a place where community, history, and the natural beauty of the Red River come together in a friendly, welcoming way. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Selkirk, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Thanks for watching!